I want to show you teachers on how to validate the email, that the TS email on the 365 email on your TPAY. The 365 email, if I go to my browser here in my phone, I want to show you the easiest way of doing it using your smartphone. So if I go to my browser, here. This is my browser. I type in my browser TPAY or TS TPAY in this case. TPAY. I'll be able to see that. So it opens my TPAY. You enter your TSC number, then you do those validations. That is the math that is there. Like mine is 15 plus 20. I know it's 35. So if you put 35 there, you click on login. So if you click on login, in my case here, I have already updated. But still there are some things you can do here. I want to show you. That is my passport. So ensure you have your passport in your phone so that you upload. So that is the first step. If I go update my details, you click on that update my details. That's the red one. Just click on it. It's supposed to open you this side. In this case, you choose file. If you have not done so, choose file. Then you choose where your passport is. It will appear there. You click on save. It will be saved. Then you go to the next one is your phone number. You enter your phone number on this place called code validated. You are supposed to click on get code. So it's supposed to send a code to your phone. Then you enter that code there. So from there you click validate. It will be validated. Then now the stress, where people have stress, is on the email. The email is where people have stress. What you're supposed to do, you enter your email there. That is the TS email that we had created some long time ago, whereby it starts with the last name of your last name, followed by your first name, followed by the last name, and then followed by 2 last digits of your TS number. Like mine, my first name is Dennis, followed by my last name is Charles, followed by the last 2 digits of my TSC. It is 21 at mwalimu.tsc.go.ke. That is my email. And all of us, I know, we remember the password that we had put. So after doing that, you're supposed to, first of all, before you do that, you are supposed to go to your phone. If I go back to my phone here, let me go back to my phone. I go to Gmail, because that is where people have problems. Before you validate your email, you ought to have gone to your Gmail. Then on your Gmail account, there are some 3 dots, 3 lines at the left top, the 3 lines. You click on them. Then when you click on them, there is this Mwalimu Ogeke. In my case, the drop down arrow, point on it. You can see my Ogeke or my email accounts appearing there. So I can click on add account. In this case, on adding account, the account that we are going to add is Exchange and Office 365. Remember, it is Office 365. So the TSC email is Office 365. Click on Office 365. Then enter that email that you want to use. In my case, I want to use DennisCharles21 at mwalimu.tsc.go.ke. Then I click next. So if I click next, the next step I do is to put my password, of course, which I know in my case. You must be knowing. Let me yes, that is the password. Then from there I click next. So it will ask me to, it is redirecting my request. I click OK. I click OK so that you wait. Yeah, it's supposed to ask, yeah, if you put a new password you need to confirm, but in this case it is just the password I know. So I go to next. You click just OK. Good. Now it is set. It is set because active device, it's asking you that activate this device admin app. You click yes, you activate it. So after activating, then you click next. Good. Now you are good to go, because if I go back on the three dots, I change now, I'll be able to see the account that I've just added. I click on it. So it is now the account that is active. So if you had sent, that is, you had put a request for a code, you will now be able to see the code here in your inbox. You'll be able to see the code in your inbox, which comes in the name. Let it open so that we see it clearly. The code comes in the name. The code comes, alert. It is alert, a certain alert number. Like in mine is, this was the one that I was sent. It is alert43@tsc.go.ke. If you open it, you'll be able to see the code, that verification code, TPAY verification code that the TSC had sent you. Mine was there and I used it. I updated my email account. So after you update your email account, you'll be able now to access your payslip. But if you cannot do that, you may not be able to see your payslip until you update. So otherwise, ensure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and enjoy as you do the verification.